What's up, you guys? Welcome to the Moto Mango channel. I'm Zach, aka Mango. Today we're going for a ride to get out of the garage. So if you're following the Nighthawk restoration, you know this week I was going to be doing the cam chain tensioner, and that means I was diving into the engine. I was pulling the camshafts off, the camshaft holders, cam sprockets, and the cam chain adjuster, all that good stuff. It went really smoothly until it didn't, which I feel like is how things go. That's kind of why I'm making this moto vlog. One, I just needed to step away. That's what you just got to do sometimes. And two, I wanted to just keep you guys posted and updated on what's going on. Oh my goodness, it's been such a freaking battle in the garage. I replaced the cam chain tensioner, I get everything buttoned up, I get the valve cover on, and I break a freaking valve cover bolt. So that was kind of strike one for me. But I did just get the bolt out like 30 minutes ago after I took kind of stepped away. Second thing, and this is more my fault, the timing was a little bit off. I thought I had it perfect when I opened it back up after I realized the timing wasn't good because the bike wasn't starting and it was backfiring. One of the camshafts was slightly misaligned, even though my cam chain timing was good with the sprockets. That doesn't really matter if you have your camshaft in not the correct way, because it's all depending on those cam lobes. So I take everything back apart. I get the camshafts exactly how they're supposed to be positioned. I get the sprockets on. I get the chain on the sprockets timed perfectly with how it's supposed to be according to the manual, and I drop a freaking bolt in the case. I've got one of those snake magnets that's like long and skinny and flexible, and I've literally spent like 2 hours trying to get this bolt out of the case. So I just had to go for a ride and get away. I really wanted to make this moto vlog to just give everyone like words of encouragement because that's kind of like my whole thing, you know, like if I can build a bike, you guys can too. I really believe that, and I'm not a professional by any means, and I run into these issues all the time. And it just takes like patience and perseverance, and you'll get through it. I'm not even through this headache yet, but I know I just got to keep at it and I'll get through it. And sometimes you just got to take a step back. I'm just kind of, I don't know where the heck I'm going. I'm just riding. I think this is just a parking lot. Yep. Yeah, we're going to turn around here. Oh, sorry. Don't do it, buddy. Sorry. That's like, oh my god, that's chaos. But yeah, I just had to take a step back. If you guys are getting frustrated in your shop or your garage, make sure you do the same too. Stay tuned next week where the bike is literally going to be done. I think that's also why I was so frustrated, was like I had everything buttoned up, thought I was literally finished with the build. Valve cover's painted, cam chain tensioner is replaced, and that did fix my problem. It did. The cam chain tension was perfect. I just, the timing was off. Just wanted to check in with you guys. Wanted to make sure if you're working on your stuff, you're keeping at it, you're keeping a cool head, because I know at times that can be super difficult. Hence why I'm not in the garage and on the bike, because I had to step away. Oh my goodness, so frustrating, but that's just the way it goes sometimes. Stay tuned next week for the finished Nighthawk restoration. You know, barring any like catastrophes, I should be able to get everything figured out, get the bolt. I literally just need to get the bolt out of the case. It's just proving quite difficult, but I appreciate all you guys following along on this restoration process. It's been tons of fun for me. I've been learning a lot. Seems like you guys are really enjoying this build too. I know I have been, maybe except for today. I think this build has turned out so cool, and I'm so excited to be able to ride it. Oh, come on, bro. Let's end it on a happy note. I know I'm going to get through this. It's just going to take time and patience and perseverance, all those good things. I'm excited to finish. I hope you guys are excited to see it finish. I appreciate all of you guys watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you guys so much. And remember, if I can build a bike, then so can you guys.